life's companion. You'd swap her for a good old shot of rye. You open up the pub each day at noontime. You leave when the owner turns the key. You hurry to the booters in between time and never ever think of owning me. You take off for the border on a Sunday, just like somebody chased you with a gun. The first word you utter when you get there are set me down a double shot of rum. The neighbor right next door makes his own vino, not a spot you don't know in Canada. Too bad you couldn't take a trip to Europe for a sample of their old Smirnoff's vodka. You take a snort of gin each day for breakfast. You always drink your liquor all alone. If you ever sober up and find your address, you'll find that you are living there alone. You'll find that you are living there alone.